Both the prosecution and defense focused their cases today on reenacting for the jury the moment that police made the decision to fire 2 guns and a taser.
Go ahead and advance, please.
This body camera video from Austin police officer Chris Taylor has been shown to the jury multiple times. It shows an elevator door in the Spring condominiums opening and allowing 4 officers to see Morris Da Silva standing in the hallway with a large knife. Today, defense attorney Doug O'Connell used a rubber knife to ask one of the officers who was in the elevator how much of a threat he considered Da Silva.
If I'm 5.5 feet away from you and I'm holding this knife to my neck, am I a threat to you?
Yes.
Why?
You can switch that knife towards me and charge me at any second.
Detective Philip Zuniga was asked why the officers did not use pepper spray when they encountered Da Silva in the hallway.
Pepper spray would have contaminated the entire area, possibly rendering other officers unable to see or breathe.
In 2019, Da Silva was a resident of the Spring condominiums in downtown Austin. He was having a mental health crisis when police answered a 911 call for a man with a large knife threatening himself. Officer Chris Taylor is accused in the shooting death of Da Silva. According to court testimony, Taylor fired 5 rounds, another officer fired 2, and a third officer discharged his taser.
Is it ever viable to use a less lethal option when a subject with a knife is between 3 feet and 5.5 feet away?
In the situation we were in, I don't believe so.
Zuniga did not discharge a weapon. Today, prosecutors asked him to demonstrate at what point he thinks it would be appropriate to shoot a person holding a knife.
Drop the knife, drop the knife, drop the knife, shoot, 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 shoot.
Prosecutors also focused on not having a mental health officer at the condominiums during the 911 response. Court records show the only request for a mental health officer came from a condo resident who testified earlier in the trial. He said during his 911 call, he asked 3 times for a mental health officer to respond.
The only persons that you know of who requested a mental health officer were civilians, right?
I don't know if it was a civilian or if it was somebody that was working in dispatch that put that in there. So
When you did, then your fellow officers did, right?
okay.
Does that mean yes?
Yes.
Deadly conduct is a 3rd-degree felony that carries a punishment of 2 to 10 years in prison. Betty Cross, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.